Wow! Babo Kabalen, welcome to Warren, Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, nandito po tayo ngayon sa 1000cc Coffee Hensonville branch. So they have around 20 na branches po all throughout Pampanga, Olongapo, but this one is actually their biggest and napaka group friendly and family friendly. So guys, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga pagkain na shinare nila sa amin and also the places. So if you want to know more about it, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Alright, so ayun nga guys. Again, welcome to 1000cc Coffee. Right now, nandito tayo sa kanilang dining area. If mapapansin nyo po, napakalaki na kanilang dining area. If I'm not mistaken, I can estimate it siguro around 50 to 60 people pwede pong magkasya dito. They also have an alfresco dun sa labas. So during the evening, mas maganda siguro yung tambayan. Plus, yung parking dito guys, hindi siya problema dahil napakalaki po na kanilang parking area din. But we wanna emphasize with you guys, if you're looking for a place where you can have really large space for your group or your family, I think 1000cc is one of the perfect place dito po sa may Hensonville. For sure, may ganun pa.
Check na naman, check.
Wow! Alin.
Sarap siya.
Wow! Alright, so eto yun guys. This is our table. Kaway-kaway naman mga kaibigan. Ay, grabe! Ang dami nito. So, ayun, we would like to thank 1000cc Coffee dito po sa Hensonville for being sobra generous talaga guys. Speaking of generous, so ang dami nito. Nga pala, so they allowed us to try pizza. So mayroon tayong 3 variants of pizza. May 2 kinds of salad. One's bacon and then the other one is like parang grilled chicken. Allowed us yung parang 2 silog nila. So actually as low as 180 pesos. So may silog sila dito. You can also enjoy either Filipino or Korean. They also tried us 4 pastas. No, iba-iba. And then lastly, meron tayong steak dito. So imagine this store or branch na 1000cc, nagsaserve ng mga ganitong pagkain. Full meal. Mga signatured 1000cc refreshments like coffees, mga fraps, and available din po sila dito. Dami nila. Ayan pa oh. Oh, grabe. Okay, so guys, kakain na kami. Ay, okay. Thank you so much, Lord.